Bless you. Oh, goodness.
Yeah. Que baixo. Daddy.
In the South.
Oh,
You know,
this-
like I obviously he was getting something from me, otherwise, you know what I mean.